So we have to find out reduction formula associated with 10 power x. So suppose that this is equals to in. Okay. Now the point is, if you are dealing with 10, you have to take two things outside. Okay. So 10 power n minus 2x into 10 square x. Now till date you guys have studied sine power nx, cos power nx. So in sine power nx we have taken one thing outside. In cos power nx we have taken one thing outside. So in 10 power nx you have to take two things outside. Why, you will understand now. So can I break down this 10 square x as n minus 2x? So can I write 10 square x as sec square x minus 1 dx? Okay. Now try to recall that while handling integration, you guys have converted questions in like that too with trigonometric function. You guys have majorly converted your question into 10, and then you have taken 10 as z, and you find out that the sec square we got easily. Correct now? So in this function, can we consider that if we will take 10x as z, we can manage. So suppose that z is 10x. So dz by dx will become what? Sec square x, and we have sec square x dx. So can I write integration of z power n minus 2 x and then not x, z dz, and can I write this question as I n minus 2? Because if I will write in, we can write if the power of 10 is n. So here power of 10 is n minus 2. So we will write in minus 2. So let's do the integration of z power n minus 2. It is z power n minus 1. Okay, because we will add, no, it is integration. It is not plus 1, rather it is n minus 1 upon n minus 1. Okay, and then what I am doing, I of n minus 2. Now apply the replacement because they have asked question in x, not in this thing. So can I write 10 power n minus 1x, okay, upon n minus 1 with I of n minus 2 and then in. So this is the reduction formula of 10 power nx. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle. Now if I'll give you 10 power 5x, you can handle accordingly. So if you are handling sine and cos, take one thing outside. If you are handling tan, take two things outside. Okay.